Here's my inverter. This is idle. This is the noise it's making. Can you hear that? So I'm going to plug in this 150 red lamp. 150 watts. Listen to this now. We can get it in. Come on. Is this acceptable? Is it an acceptable noise for a inverter? Is it a bit loud? Is it a bit on the loud side? The red light's on. It'll be less with the cover on, it'll be less. Is that okay? Is it sounds a bit rough? Could that be causing any damage? Is this a perfectly good working order unit, or is it a bit rough? Okay, back to idle here. Now I'll plug in a 400 watt tiny heater. Let me see what happens. Ready? So an initial peak, and then it smooths out a bit. That doesn't sound too bad. This little heater by a What is making the noise? What is the component that is making this noise? This doesn't sound too bad, no? But with the red light, it wasn't very good, is it? If I plug in the red light now, the fans come on. I've got these new Noctura fans here. The fans come on, it's a different sound again. Ready? I think it's just masking the sound, really, isn't it? I think it's still buzzing, probably, isn't it? So we've got red light, heater on, fans on. If I turn the heater off now, it's just that for 150 watts, it's that noise. Very strange, huh? Take the red light off. Don't do idle. Turn the heater back on. Slightly different noise. So there you go.